Pouring rain and wet, damp weather is no fun when it comes to using the gadgets we love so much. Water damage is one of the biggest threats electronic equipment faces. But a new technology called P2i could make waterlogged phones a thing of the past. A layer of P2i, 1,000 times thinner than a human hair, is capable of repelling water, even from absorbent things like tissue paper. The technology is the brainchild of Dr. Stephen Coulson.
The technology works in a vacuum chamber, which is just a low pressure vessel, and by putting the product into that chamber, we can then energize the gas within it to provide a protective layer on the surface of a product that when liquids come into contact with it, rather than wetting out, they simply bead up and roll off.
P2i is not limited to electronics. Things like footwear and clothing are already benefiting from the coatings. Coulson says the possibilities are endless.
It doesn't actually alter the physical properties of the product. So for example, a fishing net can be made water repellent, but you can still drag it through the water. So the limitations really are only on the size of the product because it needs to go into the vacuum chamber.
Sneakers quickly emerged as a product that could easily benefit from a water-repellent coating.
So pre-P2i, we'd have normal membranes in the shoe which keeps out the water. Now these membranes aren't very breathable and they make the shoe a lot heavier. With P2i and with the iron mask, we've got a lot more breathability, lighter weight and much more functional footwear, which is the key principles of the high-tech brand, and we can pass them on to our consumers. It's fantastic.
The company is keen to point out that P2i makes treated products water repellent rather than waterproof. But when it comes to keeping dry, every little bit helps. Mark Hamrick, The Associated Press.